So originally I built the space to have a little bit more independence from my family and just have a space for myself, which has allowed me to save money if I want to put a deposit down on a proper house, big house, or fund building a van or traveling the world or whatever. I think it's given me the opportunity to do that, whereas some of my friends might be renting or paying for a mortgage and they have no money at the end of the month. So in here, this is the kitchen. The kitchen has been raised above the main sort of living area and sort of bedroom, I suppose. The bed can be, it's on casters, and you can unlock the casters and push the bed fully underneath the kitchen, so you have this space down there to do yoga, or I have a VR headset, so playing some VR as well is really great. Up in the kitchen, this is all made from some old kitchen cupboard doors that were in my mum and dad's house, and they were being ripped out about 6 years ago and sat in the back of the shed until they needed to be used in here. And so we sort of built the kitchen around the doors, so the doors dictated how the kitchen was going to be made. Again, this is that hardwood that came off of the car park in Colchester, and it's been really great because for this, for example, it looks lovely, it's easy to wipe down. It's quite an expensive wood otherwise, but here we've built a little sort of kitchen table where my girlfriend and I can sit down and watch the TV, just over there, and yeah, eat our dinner. It's lovely, and we get the light from the round window in the middle of the day, and light from those windows in the evening, and those windows in the morning. So you get a bit of sun in here all day, which is lovely, even though we're underneath a big old oak tree. The waste water that we use goes out into a reed bed system, which is outside. It works super well. Filters through, so each bed will fill up, and then once it's full, it will then drain into the next bed, etc., etc., until the water's clean. And then it will get fed out just into the ground. In the kitchen, we also have a grease trap, which is underneath in here. Though we're thinking of moving it outside, just for ease of cleaning it. I think there's a lot of sort of memories building the house, and sort of in the fabric of the building as well. Getting all the wood for this with my dad, getting that from the car park, stripping it all down, thicknessing it, sanding it, staining it, oiling it, routing it, all of that, and it looks great now. All the weatherboard on the outside of the house, with the help of my friend Tapiwa, who came over quite a lot to help me out with things like that, putting all of that up with him, doing all the pallet wood on the inside, again with the help of my dad, some friends, family. Yeah, the trailer itself that it's built on, being sourced by my uncle, and then all the work being put on it with the help of my granddad, and things like that, welding it and stuff, learning how to weld as well, and not messing that up. Yeah, it's just been a really cool project, and being able to look at it and seeing those stories and the memories that involved in it.